Evil Crossover back with another review. And this is the VCAN Active Digital Torque Wrench, 1/4 inch, 1.5 to 30 Nm precision torque digital control. So we have over here, it tells us what bits we have, other accessories that come in here, universal joint, extension bar, powered by 2 AAA batteries, and the sockets are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeter. And again, plus 2% calibration accuracy. So on the back here, it gives us the information on how it's supposed to be looking. So we're gonna open it up, take a look at if it really is what it says it is. So let's go. Wow, again, more branding. Digital torque wrench. I like this nice sturdy case that it comes in. Yeah. Let's get it open here. All right, so I like this. I like when companies give you some batteries. So we got a couple of different pieces here. This looks like the little joint that has the swivel on here. Got more of these. Maybe these came. Some of these came out. Okay, perfect. So again, it comes with the 2 AAA batteries that it tells us that it needs. Wow, this is nice. It looks like it can be charged too. So it does have a charging port here, USB-C, which doesn't look like it's included with the manual here. So it comes with a little screwdriver. These are all the bits that it comes with, the extension here. So again, this is how it came. Just like that, boom, boom. Let's see if it has any power. Since it does have a USB-C charging. Let's see. Let's check out the user manual, make sure we turn this on correctly here. So it gives us all the information here on the user manual. Extension cable, all the sockets here, how to calibrate. Battery installation. This is powered by 2 AAA batteries. The batteries are not installed when you're probably need to install the battery before using it. Use the stubby screwdriver in the toolkit to release the screws. Okay. How to use digital torque wrench. Operation method is different from the click torque wrench, so you need to read this instruction. So it's not like the click mechanism. So it's definitely a little bit different. So the button C is on and off and clear. So it's weird that it needs the 2 AAAs, but it has like a USB port here. So maybe that's for more calibration purposes or something like that. So let's install these batteries, see what's going on. I like that they do give you a little stubby screwdriver here. So just like that, they come out easily. A couple seconds here. It gets released. Okay, so this is the inside of it. Not bad at all. So we'll put them in. Nice and easy. And let's get it right back in. See, we would have never known until we opened it up and checked it out. But the feel of this is nice, pretty hefty. And look, once you press that C button, now it's going to turn on. Has the branding right over here. Has a little strap here, so you can hang it up if you wanted to. We can change all of this here. Perfect. They go right on. Backwards, forwards. Nice. So definitely these pieces feel really well made. Nice and hefty. Comes with everything here that you need. Like how they give you that little screwdriver there. Definitely go ahead and get your torque wrench. And we'll catch you on the next review.